Students, today we are going to study 10th standard grammar part. The grammar part is complete the relation. So there will be a question. So he will ask you to complete the relation by observing the first relation. So to complete the second relation, we have to do that completing the second relation by observing this first relation. What is there in this first relation, we have to see it carefully and then we have to complete the second one. So sir, is there any specific area where he will ask you? Yes, there are some areas like words meaning is there, words meaning, the glossary will check you, and the transforming the verb into noun or noun into verb, he will check it out. On that he will give rhyming words he will give, and homophones he will give homophones, those who are having the same sound. Let's see some of the examples. What type of questions will come to your examination? See here, dentist, it is related to teeth. The dentist will treat the teeth. He treats the teeth. Now, what the work of dermatologist? It we have to, dermatologist is related to whom? Which part of the body he treats? So he treats the skin. So what the answer will come? Skin. S-K-I-N, skin we have to write here. Just seeing the first relation. Dentist, he related to teeth and dermatologist related to skin. And the second one, gallant. Here the meanings is there. Gallant का meaning होता है brave. Stature का meaning क्या होता है? Stature का meaning होता है height. H-I-G-H-T, height. Next, decide, decision. So decide is a verb and it is changed into noun. Decision is a noun. Prefer. So what will be the noun form of prefer? Prefer is the verb. So noun form of the prefer is preference. So we have to write here preference. Next, literate, illiterate. He is using here prefix. He is using the prefix ill. Ill is used here and it is transferred into opposite word. So here also perturbable. Perturbable को क्या लगेगा? Because it is starting with P. Whenever the word is starting with E, it always carries im. It always carries like perfect, imperfect. So we have to add im here, like imperturbable. Imperturbable. So in this manner we have to change. So we have to see the first relation and have to complete the second one. Let's see some more examples. Now another set of the questions are here. Like meat is given, so meat. Here what is there? This meat and this meat. This meat is nothing but क्या होता है? मुलाकात करना. And this meat क्या होता है? That flesh का होता है. और यहाँ पे blue है. So what is the another blue? This is called homophones. These are having the same pronunciation, but the spellings and the meanings are different. But here the meanings, sorry. Here also we have to check another word which is having that same pronunciation as blue. That is blue. Candles को blue कर दो. So that blue we are using here. Next, admit, admission. Admit का क्या हो रहा है? Admission. Admit is a verb. Admission is a noun. So discover, discovery is the noun. Discovery. So what he has done here, that verbs are changed into noun. So here, beautiful, beautify. Adjective is there. It is changing into noun. Simple. Simple is changing to adjective. Simple is adjective. How can we change into a noun? Simplicity. Simplicity. Next, late gate. Here rhyming words are there. Late gate. Wine. Wine के साथ बहुत सारे हम लोगों को rhyming words मिलते हैं, जैसे nine है, mine है, fine है. So any one word you have to write it here. So in this manner we have to complete the relay. So here we are having some more questions like Nose, nose. So here the again homophones are there. Nose, N-O-S, E-nose, and K-N-O-S, E-nose. Here K is silent, so it is pronouncing as nose. Check. What would be the another word? Check this. Check. Looking होता है, observe करना होता है. और एक check क्यों कौन सा होता है? The check which we use in the bank. Check. Next, bachelor opposite word spinster is given here. Bachelor का opposite होता है spinster. Opposite is nothing feminine gender. Bachelor masculine है और spinster feminine है. मतलब जिसकी लड़के की शादी नहीं होती उसको bachelor कहते हैं. जिस लड़के की शादी नहीं होती उसको spinster कहते हैं. Sculptor. Sculptor का क्या होगा? Sculptress. S-C-U-L-P-T-O-R-E-W-S. Sculptress. So that feminine gender of sculptor. Sculptor, the person who constructs the building. Sculptress, that lady who constructs the building. Courage. And here, see here the word is missing. So what we have to do, we have to check this pair. The deep, shallow is given. These are the opposite words. Deep का क्या होता है? Shallow होता है. Deep गहरा होता है and shallow उथला होता है. अब यहाँ पे courage का क्या होगा? Courage का क्या होता है? Cowardice. Loching word में हमारे पास. Next, plentiful, abundant. Here the words meaning is given. Plentiful का meaning क्या होता है? Abundant होता है. Cascade का meaning क्या होता है? It is there in the gift of Magi. Cascade का meaning क्या होता है? Waterfall. So we have to write waterfall here. डेला के हेयर को कैस्केड कहा था वहां पे. So in this way we have to, if sometimes this part is also missing, so at that time we have to check this second relationship and we have to complete the first relationship. So some more questions are here. Let's see. Obey, disobey. Here a prefix is used and it is changed into opposite word. Polite. P, again it is starting with P. So what will the prefix we have to use? Yes, exactly. Im we have to use. Impolite. Polite. Because it is starting with P. Ransack का मीनिंग क्या होता है? सर्च का होता है. तो रेवेज का मीनिंग क्या होता है? रेवेज का मीनिंग होता है ruin. R-U-I-N, ruin. So we have to write the meaning here in the second relation. Discovery. Discovery is the verb and discovery is a noun. Commitment. Here also we have done the same thing, like verb is changed into noun. Antique is a homophones है यहाँ पे. Rain का मीनिंग बारिश का होता है और एक rain होता है R-E-I-G-N. Rain is nothing but predominant. So here the homophones are. So here we are having another set of the questions. Let's see what the relation is here. Duty, dutiful. It is, duty is a noun. Verb. It is converted into noun. Crime, and what is the noun form for the crime? Criminal. So we have to write the criminal here. Criminal. Infancy. It is changed. Infant का मतलब होता है छोटा. Infancy इसको noun form में convert किया गया है. Agency. Next, verbal written. This here the opposite words are used. Smooth का क्या होगा? Rough. Next, hard stone. Collocation, यहाँ पे collocation है, मीन्स एक वर्ड जो उसको रीड करते हैं हमारे दिमाग में एक वर्ड आता है. सो दैट्स कॉल्ड collocation. हार्ड स्टोन होता है. हैवी क्या होता है? लीड होता है. लीड इज द हैवी. So here collocation is used. Here opposite words. Here changing the noun form. Here also changing the noun forms. Now some more examples. Some more set of examples we are having. Jackal. Jackal क्या करता है? Howl करता है. The sound the jackal produces is called howl. Mice क्या करते हैं? Mice एक आवाज करते हैं. उस आवाज को क्या करते हैं? उसको squawks करते हैं. Yes. Footman is a singular word. And here not given any relation. We have to check this relation. Step for this. यहाँ पे plural किया गया. तो footman का क्या होगा? Foot will remain same foot and man will change into man. Footman. We have to write. Next, datum is given and dash is given. Focus foci means focus singular है और foci plural है, तो datum का क्या plural होगा? That is data. Honesty abstract noun है, types of noun बता रहा है. Honesty, the things which we can't touch or feel that are called abstract noun. So honesty को हम feel नहीं कर सकते, touch नहीं कर सकते, sorry see नहीं कर सकते और touch नहीं कर सकते, just feel कर सकते हैं. वैसे ही लाइब्रेरी क्या है? लाइब्रेरी कौन सा नाउन है? लाइब्रेरी इज अ कलेक्टिव नाउन, क्योंकि यहाँ पे कलेक्शन ऑफ बुक्स होता है. सो इट इज अ कलेक्टिव नाउन. कलेक्टिव नाउन. Here another set of the completing relation question we are having, like bread is prepared in bakery where the film is made. So it is made in studio. So we have to write studio here. Studio में बनता है फिल्म. Next, grains ग्रेनरी में रखा जाता है. जहाँ पे ग्रेन रखा जाता है इस प्लेस को कहते हैं एक्वेरियम. एक्वेरियम में क्या रखा जाता है? What is there? Yes, exactly right. Fishes होता है. Next, रन होता है, नन कॉन्वेंट में रहते हैं. दिस इज द स्टेइंग प्लेस ऑफ नन्स. नन्स कहाँ पे रहते हैं? कॉन्वेंट में रहते हैं. एंड मॉम कहाँ रहते हैं? मोनास्ट्री में रहते हैं. मोनेस्ट्री. अट्रैक्टिव रिपल्सिव अपोजिट वर्ड्स हैं यहाँ पे. फर्टाइल का क्या होता है? फर्टाइल अट्रैक्टिव रिपल्सिव, अट्रैक्ट करना, रिपल्स करना. एंड फर्टाइल का अपोजिट क्या होगा? बैरन, बंजर जिसको कहते हैं. दिस इज द अपोजिट ऑफ अनदर सेट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस वी आर हैविंग. लेट्स सी. एक्टर एक्ट्रेस इज नथिंग बट यहाँ फेमिनाइन जेंडर है, सॉरी यहाँ पे मैस्कुलिन जेंडर है, यहाँ पे फेमिनाइन जेंडर है. विडो क्या है? फेमिनाइन जेंडर है, उसका मैस्कुलाइन जेंडर लिखना है हमको. क्या होगा विडो का? जिसका जो वाइफ होती है, जिसका हस्बैंड मरा हुआ होता है, उसको विडो कहते हैं. अगर से हस्बैंड की वाइफ मर गई तो अब उसको क्या बोलेंगे? तो उसको कहते हैं विडोवर. विडो, WIDOWER, विडोवर. ER ऐड करना, WER यहाँ पे ऐड कर लेंगे तो विडोवर होता है. ये विडोवर का मीनिंग होता है द हस्बैंड हुज वाइफ हैज डेड. विडो का मतलब क्या होता है? वाइफ हुज हस्बैंड हैज डेड. लैंडलॉर्ड लैंडलेडी होगा. मिल्क मैन मिल्क वुमेन होगा? नहीं, मिल्क मेड होता है. मिल्क मेड, MILK, मिल्क MAID मेड. मिल्क मेड कहते हैं उसको जो औरत मिल्क बेचती है. एट क्या है? प्रीपोजिशन है. एट इज द प्रीपोजिशन. और क्या है? और इज द कंजंक्शन which joins the word, which joins the two word sentences or phrases. Feed, fed, it's the past tense of feed का past tense fed होता है. choose का क्या होगा? choose ही होता है, लेकिन एक ओ कम हो जाता है इसके अंदर से. choose. Up to here we have seen so many examples of looking the first relation and completing the second. I hope that you have understood the concept. It is the 4 mark question in your board examination. Best of luck for your exams. Thank you. Bye bye.